Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, where I talk about all things software development. In today's video, I'm going to address a common fear that many developers have. Will AI take your job? The short answer is no. The long answer is no, but a person using AI will. Let me explain what I mean by that. AI is not a magic wand that can do everything a human can do, but better and faster. AI is a set of technologies that can perform specific tasks that require intelligence, such as natural language processing, computer vision, speech recognition, etc. However, these tasks are not the same as software development. Software development is a creative and complex process that involves designing, coding, testing, debugging, deploying, and maintaining software applications. I cannot do all of these things by itself. What I can do is assist software developers in some aspects of their work, such as finding bugs, generating code snippets, suggesting improvements, optimizing performance, etc. These are not trivial tasks, but they are not the core of software development either. The core of software development is problem solving. It's about understanding the needs and expectations of your clients and users, and creating solutions that meet or exceed them. It's about applying your knowledge and skills to create something new and valuable. It's about learning new technologies and adapting to changing requirements. I cannot do these things for you. I cannot replace your creativity, your intuition, your judgment, your experience, or your passion. I cannot understand the context and nuances of your projects. I cannot communicate with your team members and stakeholders. But a person using AI can. A person using AI can leverage the power of AI to enhance their own abilities and productivity. A person using AI can use AI tools to automate some of the tedious and repetitive tasks that take up their time and energy. A person using AI can use AI tools to improve the quality and efficiency of their code and applications. A person using AI can use AI tools to learn new skills and discover new possibilities. A person using AI can do more with less. That's why you should not be afraid of AI taking your job. You should be afraid of a person using AI taking your job, but you don't have to be afraid if you are that person. If you want to be that person, you need to embrace AI as a friend, not an enemy. You need to learn how to use AI tools effectively and responsibly. You need to keep up with the latest developments and trends in AI and software development. You need to be curious and willing to experiment with new ideas and approaches. You need to be a lifelong learner. That's what this channel is all about, helping you become a better software developer with the help of AI. If you are interested in learning more about how AI can help you in your career, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you have any questions or comments about this topic or anything else related to software development and AI, feel free to leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.